First of all, I'm more asthmatic than all you guys put together. Just kidding. I do have asthma, but I feel it. I have to agree with both of these colleagues. First is, I think traffic is a problem. I personally think that we should have many more speed cameras. I know there's 20 of them in school zones right now. That should be expanded. I have to agree with Christina that the answer should be holistic. It's not a matter of individual things, it really is holistic. But I also know the fact is, the biggest contributor to our global footprint are buildings, not cars. So if we, as a city and as a community, can focus on green building technologies, on LEED certification for buildings, that's going to be the biggest bang for your buck. And it's up to the leaders to educate the community and to point the way and make sure that that happens. And that's one of the things that government can do best. Set the agenda. We can have potentially tax incentives for new buildings. There's any number of levers we can push, but we as potential leaders should be focusing on that.